Hello, dear friends and subscribers of sayitcorrectly.org. Today, we are going to have a special class with a special person. I'm going to introduce to you Chef Jorge Diuza. Come on, Jorge.
Hi, Ivan, how are you?
Very good. How are you, my friend?
Fine, thank you so much.
It's an honor for me to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Jorge, Chef Diuza, is going to prepare a special dish for us. It is called
Cazuela de Mariscos.
Cazuela de Mariscos.
Seafood Cassolette.
Seafood Cassolette. Okay, so let's begin.
Over here we have calamari rings, mussels, jumbo shrimp, shrimp regular, tilapia fish,
Okay.
coconut milk, fresh coconut milk.
Fresh coconut milk.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have Pacific liquor. It's like a cachaça, similar. It's a strong.
To the cachaça
Cachaça.
in Brazil.
In Brazil, similar.
Okay, it's a liquor.
Yeah, liquor.
Okay.
This is a chopped garlic.
Chopped garlic. Very
Okay.
good. And what do we do next?
Okay, now over here we have some sauce.
What kind of
We
sauce?
call Hogado sauce in Colombia.
Yes.
But usually it's with chopped onion, chopped tomato, garlic, and some herbs.
Some herbs. Very
Yeah,
good.
it's
Very
up to
good.
you. Over here also we have cilantro or coriander, whatever, and fish stock.
The fish stock is made by cooking the fish with some flavoring herbs. We leave it for about 3 hours boiling, and then we blend it in a blender. Then we sift it so we get our fish base or fish stock. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
The fish stock.
Okay, now
Okay.
we're gonna take a bowl to mix the seafood.
Okay.
A little bit, everything there. We mix. Garlic to get a nice flavor.
To get a nice flavor. Very
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Some salt.
We need more salt.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is too much seafood. That's why
Yes.
we mix a little bit.
Yeah, we mix it.
Can you give me oil, please?
The oil.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Over here.
Yes.
Just a little bit, not too much. Okay. Now we use a frying pan,
Frying pan. Yes.
a little bit oil, and we make it hot to
Make
saute the seafood.
To saute the seafood.
Yeah.
Yes.
We wait some minutes.
Okay.
Very hot. Okay.
Let me get my chef's hat here, because it is very important for me to have my chef's hat. Good.
Now you like a chef.
I look like a chef now. Yes. Okay. Now, so we are going to make this warm,
Yeah.
and we are going to continue with the process.
Okay.
But before we continue with the process, well, I want to mention the fact that George has studied at the Cordon Bleu
In Peru.
in Peru, the branch in Peru, because it's a famous school in Paris, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. And he has also international experience in cruise liners, and he has worked for the Executives Club in Cali. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Okay. Now, yeah, we will
Okay.
continue.
We will continue now.
Okay. We already have the seafood already mixed.
Okay.
Okay. Usually people ask.
For a side dish.
Yeah.
For a side dish, yes.
We're gonna use plantain. It's so typical in Colombia, also in the Pacific coast and the Caribbean. Now we take the green plantain, which are the part, and now we open like this. Be careful with your hands and the knife. You open.
Okay, very good.
This is the better way to open the plantain. And then you use your hand, start to peel, and remove the shell.
To remove the skin.
Yeah. To remove the skin. Now, depends. You can chop in 4 parts. It's one way to make easy for you. Cut half and then cut half. And repeat the process with this one.
So we'll repeat the process with the other plantains. You have to be very careful because you can cut yourself. Half.
Half.
And half.
Half and half.
And half.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Now you are a chef.
I'm a chef, yes.
Okay, we're gonna saute the seafood.
We are going to saute the seafood.
We show you later.
Very good.
We get ready the biche.
Okay.
The Pacific liquor.
The liquor, yes.
Yeah. And we throw. Careful. We need a little bit.
We mix it here.
Yeah, a little bit. Just saute the seafood. No need to cook all the seafood because after that we're gonna put inside
The stock.
the stock and we need to continue cooking.
Okay. Oh man, it's looking good. It's looking
Yeah,
good.
Thank you so much. Okay. Now change coming a little bit, change the color.
Yeah, it's beginning to change colors.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also
Like this one here, this shrimp is
Yeah.
half cooked.
And now we use the liquor.
liquor?
Yeah. And you let
Oh man,
and you let to cook a little bit because we need to liquor
to evaporate
evaporate the liquor, the alcohol.
the alcohol.
You check?
Oh man.
It's half cooked. Now we switch off
Okay.
and then we will continue with the process. Okay, now off.
We shut it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we lower the fire.
We lower the fire.
Yeah. And we're gonna cook the plantains simmer because we need to cook all plantains inside and outside, yeah? And then we're gonna match it, that's why. And then we're gonna fry again at high temperature to make crunch. Now we have one more pot over here. We're gonna put a little bit oil. Just a little bit, not too much. Then we're gonna use the Hogado, the stewed vegetable we made before. The Hogado from Colombia. And we're gonna saute a little bit. But it's already good, no worries. Now we have over here fish stock. We throw a little bit. Yeah, we left boil. And we can add one time coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a
Fresh.
fresh coconut milk and give a nice flavor. We mix. If we want, we can use cream to help to. Sorry.
To help it thicken.
Yeah, to help make yeah.
Thicken.
Yes, perfect. Coconut milk. Sorry, cream.
Cream.
Cream milk. Coconut cream. Now we boil.
We let it boil for 5 minutes
Yeah.
to let it thicken.
Freaking, okay.
Thicken. Okay. Que se espese. To
Exactly.
let it thicken.
5 minutes or until you let freaking. And you mix. Check. Okay, now we're gonna check our plantain.
We're gonna check our plantains, okay?
Now it's soft inside. Oh, be careful. Check. It's soft inside. We check. We have fork. Now it's perfect. We remove everything. Okay. We're gonna remove. Be careful because it's a little bit hot. Ivan, can you give me one small plate or something to? One bowl or something?
Yes. To finish this dish that accompanies our casserole, we remove the plantains from the oil and clear the area in which we are going to work. On top of our cutting board, we wrap the plantains in plastic, and with the help of a plate, we flatten them out so we have tostadas de plátano or patacón, fried green plantain, flattened and refried to make them real crunchy. So we are finished with the side dish of our casserole. Then we have our fish stock. When it has the desired thickness, we proceed to add the seafood that we had previously prepared. Very carefully, because it's very hot. And we also add the oysters that we had aside. Why? Because they only need to be boiled for a few minutes to be ready.
Our cazuela is ready. Check. His seafood is already cooked. And now we process to serve them. We put some cilantro on top. We have the plantain, and we used to with rice. This is all our recipe for today.
Okay?
Yeah, this is all. Do you like? Good, good. You need to try, please.
Of course I need to try it. And this is all for you. If you want to watch the video again and follow the recipe as we have.
Check, my friend. Now
Thank you very much, but I want to sit down. Okay.
Everyone's screwing.
No, I want to check it, and I think it's wonderful.
Okay, now it's...
Oh man, it's one of the best cazuelas I ever had.
Oh,
We thank you very much,
thank you, my friend.
George.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate it, and we hope that some people would like this video. Will give us a like,
Okay.
a like on the button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Follow us. We're going to have different activities with some other professionals.
Okay.
As George. Thank you, George.
Thank you so much. Okay.
We'll see you next time. Remember, if you want to follow George on the Instagram, you can follow Jorge Diuza.
Yeah, Jorge Diuza in Spanish.
Jorge Diuza.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks to
Enjoy,
you.
my friend.
Okay, I surely will. I
Okay.
surely will.